Good day everyone, my name is Gerald Alpanta and I am here to speak in support of workers' rights. The right to security of tenure means that workers cannot be dismissed from their jobs without a valid reason and due process, as stated in the Labor Code of the Philippines. For many Filipino workers, a job is more than income. It is security for their families, education for their children, and hope for the future. Without security of tenure, workers live in fears of sudden and unfair termination. Protecting these rights creates a stable workforce, improves productivity, and strengthens our economy. So, let us uphold the labor code to protect workers from unjust dismissal. A secure workers builds a stronger nation. That's all. Thank you.